Welcome to the Yo Hadley Show. Yo, welcome to the Yo Hadley Show. I'm Liz Martinique Hadley, and today we're going to talk about shading. I love to draw, and I think it's an important tool to have while you grow up. Sometimes you just can't explain things, you just gotta draw it out. I know the perfect person who could talk about shading. Arthur Smith, take it away.
Hi, my name is Arthur Smith Jr. I'm an illustrator. I'm going to show you how to do a circle with some shading. By the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram at artistarthur. So you can check out my website, asmithcreativestudio.com. All right, let's get started. So today we're going to draw a basic circle. What you want to do is, the circle looks flat right now, but we don't make it look like it's 3D. And to do that, we got to add some shading. So here we go. You got to choose your light source right here. Let's see, like that. It's like a little lamp. See, it's going to go like that. So you get your highlight right here. That's the brightest part. So now you want to take it right here and just go like this. That's like where the light and the darkness kind of meets in a way. And also you want to do this, called the cast shadow. That's see when a light hits right here. This kind of comic booky. It's called cross hatching. That's like a bonus. They do this a lot in comics. So yeah. So and you want to make this part right here kind of a little darker. It's a small little example. Something like that. You know, you want to make it really dark. So you always got to worry about your light source. Your light source will basically tell you how the light and the shadow is going to form, basically. You know what I mean? One thing you want to do is, like, you know, you can get like a tennis ball or something. To get it like a tennis ball, you can see how just put it like under like your lamp or something like that, and you basically can see how the light reflects. You know, and then you want to try something like, you know, a cylinder, like a piece of wood or something, anything, or grab a can or something like that. Then you're gonna start, like, when you start getting into like different type of stuff, you start getting into like texture and stuff, but that's a whole different subject right there. So we just trying to keep it basic right now. Yeah, shading. So, but yeah, you wanna like just make sure I'm gonna darken this a little bit more. But yeah, that's really bright right when that light hits it. It's really bright right there. And I'll try to put a little more pressure to make it a little extra dark. So, see, now when I first drew the circle, it looked kind of flat. Now I put a little shading, it looks more round. I would highly suggest that you experiment with different types of objects. You know, like I said, you can take a paper towel roll and put it on a light, and you can see how that light goes over that shape. And you see the shadow and stuff, how it wraps around. My name's Arthur Smith. I hope you love the sketch. You can check me out at artistarthur on Instagram, and my website is asmithcreativestudio.com. All right, have a good day, y'all.
You said it better than me. Yo, Arthur, that was amazing. Yes. Thank you so much, talking about contrast, shading. You know, I love art. I love to draw. Let me see what you can draw. Just keep practicing and you'll get good. It's like my meditation. Holla!